I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I want to get some food stuff and I thought of sharing with you guys how I get my food stuff here in Cairo, Egypt. So I'm in the grocery shopping right now. I just want to get things that I didn't have at home and I will show you guys what I got when I got home. I was not able to vlog a lot, but I tried my best to get one or two clips for you guys to have an idea of how the place looked like. And I will see you guys when I get home.
Or believe me, take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand and down.
So guys, I went to another shop to get fish and turkey, but I was not able to vlog in that place. I thought when I get home, I will share with you guys. I got 5 kilo of turkey and 5 kilo of fish. I already divided it into two and saved some in the freezer, and I leave those ones outside to show you guys and also to clean it and then roast it in the oven. This is oju yobo. I got 5 kilo and that one cost me 200 pounds. Before it normally cost me 160 pounds. And I got 5 kilo of turkey as well and it cost me 250 pounds. Before it normally cost me 200 pounds. Okay guys, I hope you guys can see. I have all purpose flour here. I have 1 kilo. I just get 1 kilo. So it will make it 2 kilo. So I got that one. And I got this one for 14 pounds. 1 kilo. I got it for 14 pounds. Before it's normal, it's 8 pounds. So things is expensive now. So and this is wheat. I got 2 kilo of wheat. And I got this 1 kilo for 16 pounds. And before it's 8 pounds, 9 pounds. So you guys can see it is double in size. And I got semo as well. I got 1 kilo for 14 pounds. So I got 2 kilo. And I got this oil. This is for my body, for my skin. I use this on my skin along with shea butter. This is what I rub on my skin. So I got this. I normally got this 3-in-1 Nescafe for 50 pounds. Now I got it 60 pounds. I got one milk because I have two already for baking and for cornflakes, all that. So I got one milk. I can't remember. I think it's 17 pounds or 20 pounds, something like that. I got this milk. This is evaporated milk. The rainbow. This one is rainbow. I got one 16 pounds. Normally, I normally got one for 13 pounds before. I got one for 16 pounds. I got one mayonnaise. This one is 27 pounds now. Before, I normally got it 23 pounds, 22 pounds. You guys can see, this is expensive now. I got noodles. I can't remember. I didn't ask the price. I got 6 noodles. Normally, I normally get pack. But this month, your girl is full of money, okay? So, I got 6. And I got one bread. One toast bread. This is for 25 pounds. And I got cornflakes. I got 2 pack. I got the chocolate one. And the honey one. I hope you guys can see. The honey one. This is it. This is 35 pounds. And this one, the chocolate one, 35 pounds. I got white vinegar for cleaning chicken, veggies, all that. I got this for, I think, 30 pounds. I can't remember. And I got oil. On a normal ground, I normally buy the oil that they measure. They measure it with kilo. I will just tell them how many kilo that I want and they will measure it for me. But the guy doesn't have. So I decided to get 2 of this. And I got one for 35 pounds. And before it's around 20 something pounds. So I got one for 35 pounds. So, and I got powdered milk. I got the one that they normally measure. So this is 30 pounds now. This is quarter kilo. 30 pounds. And the milk is good. I've tried it so many times. There's no difference between this one and the one that they just pack in the bag for you in the fancy supermarket. So I got this. I got half kilo, but I told him to measure it 2 for me, so I can take one to work in case. And I got this bowl, the one that I'm using as broken. So I got 2 today. One is £12.50. It's really affordable. Before I got it £12.50. So the one that I'm using before is broken. So I got another one for Celia. You guys, I got soap. That's it. And I got this kitchen towel. I have one before, yellow. You guys have saw it in my video. I got this for £15. The other one I got it for £12.50. Now it's £15. So I got one. So if I wash one, I will have one. So that is it, guys. That is all I got. So I'll just keep everything right now, put it in its place, and I will cook ogbono. I want to make ogbono soup with semo or with fufu, so I can have lunch. Okay, guys.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now.